Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you this project I made on that computer memory and information technology. You can use this project as a sample for your own schoolwork or anything else. So let's begin. So first I've written here information technology. I've also given a picture and the topic is computer memory. So first question is define computer memory and classify its type. So I have written the answer over here. Next, we have primary memory. Now I have mentioned the details, the main points. What is primary memory? It is the main memory of the computer. It stores data temporarily while the computer is working. And it is fast. So you will have to write these points. Now, these are the types of primary memory. We have RAM, random access memory. It is temporary memory. Then we have ROM, read-only memory, permanent memory. It stores very important instructions. Here I've provided some images with the differences written here. Next we have secondary memory. It stores data permanently and I've provided some examples. Hard disk, pen drive, CD or DVD and memory card. There is a picture I've provided. Now here is a question, define primary memory, RAM and ROM. Now here is the answer written. Primary memory is the main memory of a computer. It stores data and instructions that the CPU needs while working. It is fast and directly connected to the processor. So here we have RAM, random access memory. I have written the details of it. I have written the ROM. The details are written here. So you will have to write like this. This is secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as the auxiliary of external memory. You have to use this for storing an information in a computer. So here we have some examples like hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD and memory card. I've also provided some pictures. You can use pictures like these or you can use the same pictures as I've used. Now these are the different types of storage devices and uses of it. So we have hard disk, CD, DVD and Blu-ray. And here I've also provided some pictures. Hard disk, CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. So you can use these. I also have flash drive, also known as pen drive, and memory card. So these are the two images, and last but not least, I've provided the conclusion. You have to write this for all projects. Writing the conclusion makes your project look neat and it is very important. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and also check out our Facebook page for more content similar to this. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.